Hello everyone, now I'm going to discuss about the James Lange experiments. The James Lange experiments conducted in 1747 is considered one of the earliest clinical trials and a groundbreaking study in the history of medicine. It was designed to investigate the most effective treatment for scurvy, a disease that plagued sailors on long sea yogans. James Lange, a Scottish naval surgeons initiated this experiment during his service with the British Royal Navy. Background: during the 18th century, scurvy was a significant problem for sailors, especially on long yogans. The disease was characterized by the weakness, fatigue, swollen and bleeding gums, joint pain, and eventually death if left untreated. However, the exact cause of scurvy was not yet known, and various remedies were being used, including vinegar, sulfuric acid, seawater, and different herbs and fruits. The experiment in 1747, James Lange conducted his now famous experiment on the board the HMS Salisbury, a British warship. He selected 12 sailors who were suffering from scurvy and divided them into six pairs, each suffering from similar symptoms of the disease. Lange carefully designed his sixth experiment to test the effects of different remedies. The six treatment groups received the following interventions. Group 1: two sailors were given a quart of cider daily. Group 2: two sailors are given 25 drops of auxiliary vitriol means diluted sulfuric acid daily. Group 3: two sailors were given half a pint of sweeter sea water daily. Group 4: two sailors were given two oranges and one lemon daily. Group 5: the sailors were given a mixture of garlic, mustard seeds, and balsam of Peru daily. Group 6: two sailors were the control group and received no specific treatment. Results: over the course of the experiment, James Lange closely observed the sailors' conditions and recorded the effect of each treatment. After 6 days, the results were clear and significant. The two sailors was received oranges and lemons. Group 4 showed remarkable improvement with the decrease in symptoms and increase in energy. The cider group first and the elixir vitriol group second had a little to no effect on the scurvy patients. The seawater group 3 and the mixture of garlic, mustard seeds and balsam of Peru group 5 also showed limited improvement. Conclusion: based on his findings, James Lange concluded that citrus fruits such as oranges and lemon were highly effective in treating and preventing scurvy. He published his result in a 1753 book titled A Treatise of the Scurvy, advocating for the consumption of citrus fruits to prevention and conserves in the sailors. Impact: Land experiment had a significant impact on maritime health and the British Royal Navy. His work gradually led to the inclusion of citrus fruits in a sailors' diets, virtually eliminating scurvy as a major health concern during long sea voyages. The experiment is now recognized as a pioneering example of controlled clinical trial, and it played a crucial role in the development of evidence based on medicine. Certainly, the James Lange experiment had a lasting impact on medicine, and its methodology laid the foundation for modern clinical trial. Here's more information on historical significance and development on the basis of the medicine. So, first significance is the historical significance. So, James Lange experiment was a turning point in a medical research and practice. Prior to his study, medical treatments were often based on traditional evidences or unsupported theories. Lange's systematic approach to comparing different treatment of scurvy provided valuable evidences that could be used to make informed decisions about medical interventions. spreads of citrus used in the British Navy. Following land experiment and the subsequent publication of his finding, the British Royal Navy adopted the practice of providing citrus fruits, particularly lemons and limes, to sailors during long locals. The implementation significantly reduced the incidence of scurvy among naval persons. British ships came to be known as lamias due to their consumption of limes to prevent scurvy. Advancement of clinical trial. The James Lange experiment is often considered one of the earliest examples of randomized controlled trial. In the trial, he controlled variables by ensuring that he groups were similar in their symptoms and then randomly assigned different treatment to each group. This approach minimized bias and increased the reliability of his results. Today, randomized controlled trials are the gold standards for evaluating the effectiveness of medical treatment and interventions. Long-term impact on public health. The successful use of citrus fruits to prevent scurvy not only improved the health and well-being of sailors but also had broader implications for public health. As knowledge of the importance of vitamin C, ascorbic acid increased the role of proper nutrition in preventing and treating various diseases became better understood. This understanding has since led to significant achievements and advancement in the prevention and management of nutritional deficiency. Legacy and recognition. James Land's contributions to medicine have been widely acknowledged. He is often referred to as the father of naval medicine and recognized as a pioneer in clinical research. His groundbreaking experiment is frequently cited in the medical literature, history, and educational material to highlight the importance of controlled trials and evidence-based practice. Thank you.